What's up, everyone? We got a customer coming to pick up this beautiful 68 Camaro today, and it's just too nice to not do a video on it. We've touched just about everything on this car except for the bodywork. It came to us as a small block 350, turbo 350 trans, mostly stock suspension, and stock interior, I guess. So we touched just about everything, like I said. Suspension, motor, trans, rear end, everything. So let's kind of walk around and show you what we're working with. Well, hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad out here. Of course, the wind just picked up as soon as I pulled my camera out. But what we have here is a 6-liter LS. It's pretty much what we would use as a pull-out motor. All of our pull-out motors, we go through the whole thing, clean the heads up, do a little camshaft. So by the time it goes in, it looks brand new, but at the end of the day, it is a used motor. So what we have here is 8719 Summit cam. I'll start it up here in a minute so you can listen to it. It has a pretty good chop, drives like totally stock, even with a stock converter in this 4L60. Sounds good, drives great. It's a great little cam. This is all ICT billet, high mount accessories. This car has a vintage air that we did. Obviously power steering, uses a truck power steering pump, truck alternator. L99 Camaro water pump to put you on the truck belt line. This is a northern radiator with a electric fan setup that we use in pretty much everything. Still retaining the manual brakes on this. It does have full disc conversion all the way around from Right Stuff. It still stops excellent. China Fab intake. Not my favorite, but it looks great, and for the money, you really can't beat it. I will say that finding injectors that fit correctly is not easy. These are truck injectors with ICT billet spacers to make them LS1 height. Holley Terminator X Max. We use that on everything. I think I have 13 cars in there with X Max on there at this point. Just a little custom intake, but overall pretty clean setup. Holley mounts, Holley pan, you know the deal. This has the Holley mid-mount, or mid-length, I guess, headers. So it makes it for a real nice transition down there, keeps the pipes up off the ground. It's just a nice 45-degree angle right back. This has, what were they at? I think they were Flowmaster FX mufflers or Magnaflow mufflers. I don't remember now. Suspension wise, it's all Ride Tech. Full Ride Tech kit, composite rear spring, adjustable shocks. Like I said, Right Stuff brakes all the way around. These are US mags, 18x8, 18x9, wrapped in Mickey Thompson. Two 45-40s in the front and two 75-40s in the rear. And that is basically it. We can hop to the interior where we did a bunch of stuff also. But it does rub a little bit in the front. We may downsize the tire just a smidge, or go to a coilover to kind of lift it. So this car actually belongs to a younger guy, so we want to kind of make it as safe as possible for him, not rip the trim off when he's driving around. So let's hop to the inside and we'll show you what we did there. All right, don't mind the dirty carpet. Still haven't vacuumed this out yet. So Dakota digital gauges, pretty standard for all of the swaps that we do. Vintage air, again, Did a center console for this thing. So USB, B&M billet shifter, Kenwood double din. Vintage air, like I said, a couple kick panels, speakers, aftermarket seats. And to be extra safe, we got 3-point harnesses, front and rear. This car used to have a throttle, what'd you call it, rod linkage. So in this case, we converted over to a cable pedal using a low-car throttle cable, and I think it's an Auto Metal Direct pedal. So any of these early Camaros or Impalas, Bel Air, any of those, makes it for a real nice installation with a cable for guys that aren't doing drive-by wire. That's it. Overall, it's super. But that is about it. Well, that pretty much sums up the car. I guess I haven't started it yet, so why don't we do that? Start it up so y'all can hear it. Like I said, 8719. Oh, watch my hand. 8719 is the cam. It's a Summit grind. Starts right up. All right, let's get out here so you can hear this thing.